Guys, so it's the end of the day here and we're just finished supper. I had leftover barbecued chicken legs and some rice that I made. So dogs just finished eating and now I'm gonna set some dishes in the dishwasher. Come here. Sit. 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 Oh, that dishwasher just farted. This dishwasher's waiting patiently. Stay. 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 Hold on. Let me hit the... No. No. Stay. I gotta hit the heavy rinse button. Come here. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Push. Okay, go. Get it. Get it. Get it. Clean it up good. Dishwashers. Look at the dishwashers go. Jesus. Still have those dishes cleaned in like a minute and a half. Tops. Oh, look at him putting his paw in there to keep the bowl steady so he can lick it. Smart boy, isn't he? Rusty hasn't figured that skill out yet. They just had a big bowl of kibble and some chicken bones, which they love, and some rice. They had some rice too. So I'll take you guys outside and show you the mountain of wood we're into today. That's how much I got done of that pile, just cut up in the chunks. Look, dishwasher's done. Jeez. Free dishwashers. Hey? Beacon? Is you a dishwasher? He's a dishwasher. Dishwasher. So all this stuff has got to dry. All this bigger stuff needs to dry up for, I don't know, probably a month or so. I'll pack away all the smaller stuff, but the bigger stuff needs to dry up so we can split it. And I started cutting up some more of this pile over here. This stuff all needs to dry. Tried splitting it, but it's hard as a rock. Trying splitting it. And I put these posts in today. Look at that. I just sharpened some smaller trees that I had cut down. Sharpened the end of them and just pound them into the ground, and that worked great. Pounded one in there. I need to put a couple more over here for this side. Then we can stack this pile up a bit higher. There's three piles here. We'll have all this wood needs to dry, really. It needs to be seasoned for the year. But it's a lot of wood, eh? It's a lot of work, man. Hell of a lot of work processing wood. You still got that to go down there. There's still half a... Jesus, there's probably still a cord of wood left in that pile over there to cut up. All that little stuff off to the side needs to be cut up too when I get through this and tossed over there. That's our fire pit wood, all that little stuff. This stuff will be burning wood. Hey boy. We should go down to the creek. We haven't been down there since we cut the trail down there. I still gotta process some trees over here. It's not a easy trail to get down to the creek, but pretty much a straight drop down there. Yeah, let's just go the road less traveled, shall we? See if we can slide down here on our ass. No bears down here? Is there bears? Is there bears? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boys. The creek. The embankment we just come down. You boys need a drink? Oh God. Dummy creek now. Cut those few trees away from right there and then you'll be able to see down there further. Is there bears? Is there a bear down here? Is there a bear? Where's the fishy, Beacon? Where's the fishies? Do you see fishies? Where's the fishies? It's a big ass maple right there. Look at that. Huge maple. That one broke off. It's like there's spruce like right in between it there. And then it splits off. It's like the spruce is holding up the maple. Looks like a part of that maple's dead. This section right here up there looks like it might be dead. Looks like the other portion's the only one's got life on it, really. Yeah, I think so. Somewhere here we got to make a trail, or we're gonna have to put stairs in somewhere here. I think it was right here somewhere where I planned on doing that. Stairs coming down here. Oh my God, the humidity is high down here, higher than up there. These are all the smaller pines and stuff that I took down. Contemplating taking that fir down. Or is this spruce or not? Cedar. Whatever the hell it is. Cedar. Something like that. I think that's a cedar too. Might be red cedar. Some dead trees there. Hey boys, come here. Get back here. This is where the coyotes were that we heard the other evening. Was like right across there too. I'm sure they're right on the other side of this river. They sure sounded close. Don't go in there. Don't go in it. No. I don't want you guys in it right now. It's going to take you too long to get dry before you go inside. Okay. Try to get back up this hill. Go back up to the other side. There's that spruce that broke off right there. For the life of me, I don't know how it managed to end up going this way when it cracked off right there. There we go. There's that big maple. Look at that huge, huge maple. Walk the tree. Try not to fall down. Right, Rusty? Right, Rodney? Right, is Rusty going to walk the tree? No, he wants to stay going. Oh, jeez, I swear you're a beaver. Huh? Scrunching on that stairs. Huh? Hey, hey! No! Come! Ugh. Can't let him run off because he gets his ear on something or his nose on something, then he's gone after it. And it could be a coyote or something. Trying to lure him into a trap. Come on! Up the hill. Let's go. Come on. Up, up, up. Come on. Drawbridge up. Come on. Christmas tree. Yeah, that's starting to look a lot better over there now. Now at least we can pile it up higher. Make the rows longer. Yeah. Lots of split stuff there now. This row back here is all rounds. These two rows are rounds and split. Just gonna clean up some of this crap that's laying around and that stump broken off. Just tidy things up, you know? Just make it tidy. That. Burn that. Is you hot? Is you hot, Rusty? Humidity is getting a little bit high right now. Or maybe I'm just getting hot because I just ate. The brush pile. It might actually act as a good windbreak in the wintertime. From wind coming through here, but I mean there's lots of trees there, so that would break the wind too. But check out the wood grain in that tree. Pretty cool, eh? Soft wood though, so it will split when it dries, I think. You can come here. And we got a whole bunch of baby birch coming up here, all around this big guy. This guy should flourish now that it's not competing for light as much. All these maples and the leafy kind of trees around here should flourish now in this area. That one's got a broken branch on it. That's what it looks like, it's dying up there. That's just a branch. Gotta get that out before it falls on someone's head. Likely mine, I would imagine. Alright guys, we're gonna relax. I'm gonna start a fire to burn up some of that little stuff and take it easy for the rest of the evening. Talk to you later guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.